Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abrar and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how would you construct your paragraphs for CSS essay from the thesis statement. As I have told you in my previous video that the thesis statement plays a role like a trunk of tree. So in this video, I will prove you that how a thesis statement actually plays a role to construct all the paragraphs of your essay. To understand this video better, if you haven't watched my previous video about what is thesis statement, I will suggest you to go back and watch that video and come back to this video to understand better. Remember one thing, that all the rest of the paragraphs of your essay would be about whatever you have said in your thesis statement. Here is a topic and this is your thesis statement. So now let's understand how the paragraphs would be constructed. So here you can see the example of thesis statement. And the very first sentence of this thesis statement is, while social media has transformed the way we connect and communicate. So this very first sentence shows the positivity of social media. So after your introduction, your first body paragraph would be about the good things about social media, according to your thesis statement. And the second part of this thesis statement is, it must be used with responsibility and digital awareness to prevent its negative impacts on society. So in this thesis statement, a very important point you need to notice that this thesis statement is not equally supporting the both negativity and positivity. So the positivity is less emphasized and the negativity is more emphasized. Like here you can see, it must be right used with responsibility, digital awareness to prevent the negative impacts on society. So in this thesis statement, the negative impacts are more emphasized than the positive side. So you have to construct the essay according to your thesis statement. So in your thesis statement, the negative impacts are more emphasized. So definitely you will write more paragraphs about the negative impacts of social media, and only one paragraph about the positivity of social media of 300 to 400 words is enough right after the introduction. And the second body paragraph would be about the negative impact of social media, like I have written here, overuse and time waste. So you can construct according to your knowledge. And the third body paragraph, you can see again, it's about the negative impact of social media, means mental health issues. And the fourth body paragraph, again showing the negative impact of social media, like misinformation, fake news. And the fifth body paragraph would be again about the negativity of social media, like cyberbullying, abuse. And again, the sixth paragraph would be about the negative impact of social media on society, like privacy risk. So you can see according to your thesis statement, the positivity is less emphasized, and we have added only one paragraph right after the introduction, and 5 paragraphs we have constructed about the negative impact of social media, and each paragraph should be of 300 to 400 words. And the 7th paragraph would be about digital awareness, because here you can see the digital awareness is discussed in the thesis statement. So the 7th paragraph would be about the digital awareness. And the 8th body paragraph would be about to prevent. So if you want to prevent from the negative impacts of anything, so definitely there should be some rules to follow. Here, to prevent its negative impact, you need to write 8 paragraph about the rules to use media safely. And paragraph 9 would be about the conclusion, that is final. To understand you better, I have created another thesis statement that is a bit different from that thesis statement of the same topic. So let's go next to understand the difference. So here you can see the topic is same and the thesis statement is bit different related to the same topic. Social media has both positive and negative impacts on society. So this thesis statement is actually neutral thesis statement because it is equally supporting the both positivity and negativity of social media. Understanding both sides is necessary for its responsible use. So here again in this sentence, so the both sides of social media means the positive side and the negative side is equally dealt. So the structure of the essay would be a bit different because the thesis statement is neutral. So for this thesis statement, the first paragraph would be about the positive impact of social media. It can be related to communication. And the second paragraph again would be about the positive impact of social media. It can be about the education or learning point of view. And again, the third paragraph would be about the positive impact of social media. It can be global awareness. And the fourth paragraph would be about the negative impact of social media, time waste or addiction. And the fifth paragraph would be about the negative impact of social media. It can be mental health. And the sixth paragraph would be about the negative impact of social media. It can be fake news. And the seventh paragraph would be about the digital awareness. And the eighth paragraph would be about the conclusion. So here in this structure, you can see after the introduction, very first three paragraphs are about the positive impacts of social media on society, and the three paragraphs are about the negative impacts of social media on society. And then one paragraph is about the digital awareness. The thesis statement was balanced. It was neutral. It was putting both sides equally. So our structure of the essay is also equal. I hope you have understood how a thesis statement plays a role like a trunk of tree. So in the next video, I will tell you how to construct each paragraph of 3 to 400 words. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz.